Hello everyone, today we are doing Leetcode 929 unique email addresses. So for this question here, we want to return the length of each of the unique email addresses. So in this question, there are a few conditions. For every valid email, it consists of a local name and a domain name, which is separated by the @ sign. So that means in this example here, the local name will be Alice and the domain name will be leetcode.com. And for the first condition here, if we have a period, say a dot, then if it's within the local, we don't care about the dot, so we will ignore this, and this Alice Z and Alice.z will be the same. And otherwise, if we have a plus sign in the local name, anything that after the plus sign will be ignored. So this example here is m.y is the same as my@email.com. And yeah, so this example here, test.email plus alex at leetcode.com is the same as test.email .e.mail plus bob.cathy@leetcode.com. These two emails here will return test email at leetcode.com. And this one here will return test email at leetcode at .tcode.com, which will then return a 2 for the unique email addresses. Alright, so in order to do this question here, we want to first initialize unique email to be a set, and then we want to traverse through each of the emails there are in the emails array. And then we want to separate out the local and domain, which will be emails, which will be e.split. We are splitting by the @ symbol here. Alright, cool. And then we want to initialize a temp, which will be an empty string. This temp here will store the character local. So for character in local, we want to deal with the dot sign and the plus sign. So if c is equal to a dot, then we just continue because we don't care about the dot. Else if c is equal to a plus sign, then we want to break because we don't care anything that's after the plus sign. And then else, if it doesn't equal to a dot and it doesn't equal to a plus, then that means it is a normal character. Then we do temp plus equals that character. Okay, so this one here will compute for the local. Now lastly, we can just add the domain and add it to the unique email set, then we should be good. So unique email dot add, what are we adding? We're adding the temp plus the @ symbol, and we are also plusing the domain. Okay, and then we return the length of unique email. Double checking it. Plus equals c, cool, temp. Yep, that should be good. Let's run it. Yep, so this solution works, and let's do the time and space complexity analysis with this one. So since we are iterating through the entire emails, let's say the length of the emails array is n, then we are iterating through O of n time complexity. And within the O of n, we are traversing through each of the characters in local, and let's say that the local length is m, then we are having O of n time complexity, and therefore this is a O of n times m time complexity for this loop here. And in terms of the space complexity, since we are storing the number of emails and the characters of it, then we will have O of n times m for space complexity as well.